What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. I hope y'all enjoyed that sub collection video because, man, that video gave me so many issues because I thought that when I was doing a screen recording, it was gonna pick up the audio and it didn't. So I had to finesse some stuff to make it work, and it worked. It took me some time, got frustrated, learned some new shit. I hope y'all enjoyed the sub collection video. I got many more of those coming. And I'm still gonna work on the by design video for you all because I still got some dope shit to show y'all that I wanna design and, you know, show y'all how it would look in my way that I would like to design it, but still keeping the same vein of human made. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, feel free, follow me on Instagram. I greatly appreciate it. I know I said every video, but it's up to y'all if y'all want to. If y'all want to hit me up, chop it up, ask me a question, I got you. No big deal. Also, what else? I don't know. I think that may be it. If I have some more information, check the description down below, like for some sales and stuff. I'll probably just start randomly dropping like website links to websites that's selling human made, and they may have like some sales going on. So just check the description. I may have some stuff down there randomly that I may forget to put in the video, so I'll just go ahead and drop in the description for y'all to see. But anyway, yeah, thank y'all for coming back. Another weekly recap video for human made week 5. It was okay. It was better than the other weeks. It was okay. Not too bad, but not too good. It was just okay, middle of the road drop. But yeah, I caught some stuff. But anyway, what else? Yeah. I just caught one thing, and I'll just tell y'all what I caught when I show you in the video. Let's get into the weekly recap of spring summer 2021 of Human Made. So let's get ready to do it. Well, all right, y'all. So they dropped a few dope things within this drop in week 5. Mostly was outerwear and a button up. Well, 2 button ups they dropped. So without further ado, I'm just gonna show y'all what they dropped, give you my input, drop y'all input down below in the comment section. Let's get this conversation going, a little bit of dialogue, a little bit of banter. Let's get into the weekly drop. There you go. All right, so of course, as you know, every week they would drop a colored heart. That sounds crazy. Colored heart. So they dropped the yellow one this week. Again, I don't know. I just don't copy these shirts. Why? I don't know. All right. What else? They dropped this long sleeve pocket tee. So on this tee, it came with a embroidered polar bear that you will normally see. It's all right. And I think, yeah, they have a back print that says human made. It's a simple basic tee. It would come in one color. No, it came in black too. If I would decide to get this, I'll probably get the black version. Because black don't get dirty. It don't show the dirt as much as the white tee would. But yeah, that's it that we have so far. We'll go back. What else they dropped? They dropped some outerwear too. They dropped a duck camo ranger jacket. I thought this jacket was pretty dope, but too rich for my taste right now. But I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty cool. All over prints. I don't know. I just feel like I'm too late in the game, personally, to be wearing like stuff like this. I'm like more subtle now, more not too flashy. Cause I guess the older I get, the less I like. But there are certain pieces that will catch my eye. I'm like, okay, I could wear that. I may buy that. So I'm a hypocrite. I may change my mind later on down the road when it comes to all over print. So I'm just saying I may change my mind later. But anyway, this is the duck print. So you would see like right here, my mouse head just have a regular duck. And I seen, yeah, they got another duck here, like kind of flying. So you got different like variations of the ducks printed on here, which is pretty dope. So you're just not gonna get that basic, I guess, camo print on the duck. So you have like different little like movements of the duck within this print. Pretty dope. I like it. Yeah, it looks heavy duty too. Don't look like nothing cheap that you would normally see. It says human made, like through bits and pieces. Oh, they got another version. Okay, this one I will wear. I will cop this one because it's a little bit more subtle. Is it a reversible? Is this shit reversible? Nah. But I will wear this one. Let me see. Is it? It look reversible. What the fuck? I think it is. I think it's reversible. Oh, it is. Okay. If I were to get this, I would get it to wear it with just a brown. Because it's a little bit more subtle. Because you got brown and a little bit of green hits within the duck head. Yeah, this reversible. This dope. Okay. Yeah, I can see myself buying this. But this shit gonna be like... I have a price on the screen. I don't know. I don't feel like guessing off the top of my head because I can be completely wrong. But this is dope. I changed my mind. I will cop this. I will cop this if I had the money to get it. I got the money to get it, but you know, this is dope. This is dope. I like this. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this side. If I were to get it, I would just wear it for the brown. I don't know. Brown been in lately. Brown has been in. All right, so we got the doorstop banana with a banana doorstop. This the one I bought. It's still up. I'm surprised it's still up right now. But yes, I copped this. I'm thinking about copping another one to resale because I think this is gonna sell out very soon. But I may just say, nah, I'm not gonna buy another one. I'm just good with one right now. But yeah, this is detailed as hell. Dude, like a real ass banana, no lie. And I think they had like a different version of this a while back, if I'm not mistaken, like a chrome version. Or I could be wrong. I don't know. But I did cop this. It's still up if y'all wanted it. I thought it was gonna sell out, so I guess it didn't. It didn't sell out like I thought it would. All right, so this is banana. And I just seen this. It just popped up on my phone that they selling another 3-pack tees, and I'm thinking about getting them. I may just get the 3-pack of the black probably. This ain't bad for the price. But if these are still up by next week, then I just get the black version of this, just to have like a little simple tee to wear. All right, next, so we have the military with LS shirt polar bear with the shirt polar bear. Not my cup of tea. I won't wear this. Just not for me. But I can't respect like that. Thank God he got embroidery instead of print, cause so like it was print. I feel like it was just like fade slowly over time as you wash it and wear it. But the embroidery helps. But again, I wouldn't cop this. This ain't just not for me. It just says human made on the shoulders and gifts for futuristic teenagers on the breast, and then polar bear print on the breast. And they got this in navy blue. Can we get black, Nigo? Can we just get some more black, please? Please, bruh. Anyway, what else came out? I think nothing really. I think this may be it, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I missed one. But anyway, so they have the same version of that blue one, but just in more of like a tan colorway. Okay. Okay, this one had the duck on it, so the polar bear. But again, I'm good on this. Nothing spectacular, just simple, and I'm good. I wouldn't get this. It ain't for me. Just because I like human made don't mean I have to like everything. You feel me? And this would be I think this is the last item. Nope, it's not. I keep thinking it is, but it's not. All right, so this military coat. Cause I see he going back to the military shit now. Like I've been seeing that lately. But anyway, this is in navy blue. Again, but okay, I like the buttons. That's pretty cool. We got the heart button and the other one's just regular like circular buttons on here. And we got a black human made heart printed on I guess the left breast. And then zipper. This is YKK on your zipper. Lick you like a lizard when I'm slizzard. If you know, you know. And he got human made printed on the back. I wouldn't. I don't know. I'm not feeling that black print because it's hard to see. I would want like a lighter color or something that contrasts better off this navy blue because it's kind of dark. But not bad. All right. I think this may be the last one. I think, y'all. I'm sorry. Yep, this is the last one. So the backpacks. You got 3 backpacks that came out. Of course, you got the navy, olive, and the neon highlight, like yellow, green highlight, which one it is. And each one of them have like a different animal on it. So with the olive or military green, they got the fucking embroidered duck on it. And this is a basic backpack. I'm good on that. And just a gift for futuristic teenagers. That would have been dope if they would have put this in yellow, like embroidery instead of the green. But that's just my opinion. Give it a little bit more contrast. And yeah, That's it. Just a basic backpack. I don't really see anything special about it. It's cool. Not too exciting. I like how that red contrasts with this really well and complement each other. Not bad. And what's it, navy? And yeah, that's it. So that's all the stuff that dropped this week. Nothing special, nothing too crazy. Still got some shit sitting. Shit, I may I may go back and cop this tan hat. I may go do that later. If it's still up by next week, I'm going to cop it. I'm gonna get that tan hat. I gotta have that. That shit clean. And yeah, that's about it, y'all. That is it. So that is it for the week 5, 2021 spring summer for Human made. It was an okay week, better than the past 2 weeks, cause well, really 3 weeks, cause they've been hitting on bullshit. I guess Nigo don't want our money, y'all. He really don't want our money, cause most of this stuff's still sitting. You want our money, Nigo? Drop some bangers, drop some heat, bruh. Drop some fire. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.